Hey guys, welcome back to Fifth Force. Guys, as you know, Fifth Force is your companion for your test preparation and campus preparation. Those who are coming for the first time, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon to get updated. So, like, share, and follow. Guys, in this video, we'll learn how can you multiply two-digit number within 2 seconds. That sounds funny, right? Multiply two-digit number within 2 seconds. Even is it possible? Yes, it is possible if you know the right approach. We'll learn that approach in today's video. Guys, first thing you should understand why we multiply when we have a calculator to use for, right? Simple and easy answer. Most of the exams they do not allow calculator, and the exams which even allow calculator, it would be inconvenient. It will take more time to use calculator. Actually, multiplying two-digit numbers is a prerequisite for finding last two-digit number of power expression, right? So that is why you should learn multiplying at least two-digit number. Three-digit number not required, but at least two-digit number. So now if I ask you, multiply 27 and 32 only 2 second time, you would say that is not possible. But guys, that is possible, quite possible, if you know the right approach. Guys, it is nothing but 27 into 32 is nothing but 864. Knowing the right approach, you can even write it instantly, as if like you memorize the answer. And what is 43 into 59? That is nothing but 2537. Yes, you can calculate that. Let us now discuss that approach. Guys, look at this approach. Let's multiply 43 and 59. Right guys? See, look at this blue line. First multiply the unit place. That is 3 and 9. This is the first step. 3 into 9, 27. And you write one digit, 2 carry. As simple as that. Next multiply. Look at this green line. Multiply the inside number 3 into 5, which is 15. Multiply the outside number 4 into 9, that is 36. Add 36 plus 15 plus 2 carry from the previous step. It is 53. Write 3 and the 5 is carried for the next step. And the next step is multiply the 10th place. 4 and this 5. Right? Look at this orange line. 4 into 5 is 20 and carry from the previous step is 5. So answer is 25. So you write 25. The answer must be 2537. Guys, now it is taking more than 5-10 seconds. But I'm explaining here. When you will get used to that, you would be able to multiply this two number within 2 seconds. It's as simple as that. Multiply the unit place. 3 into 9, 27, 7, 2 carry. Then 3 into 5, 15. 4 into 9, 36, 36 plus 15, 51, and plus 2 carry from previous step, 53, 3 here, 5 carry, multiply 10th place, 4 and 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. Cool guys? Guys, let's multiply these two numbers with that approach now. So step is easy, right guys? First multiply these two, unit place 1 into 2 is 2. Right, you write 2, then multiply these two number, inside number 1 into 8, outside number 9 into 2. 8 plus 18 is 26, so you write 6, 2 carry, then you multiply the 10th place, 9 and 8, 72 plus 2, so that must be 74. Cool guys? So answer must be 7462. That is so cool, right? Next, multiply these two. Again, 2 into 7 is 14. So 4 and we get 1 carry. Now 2 into 6 is 12 and 8 into 7 is 56, right? 56 plus 12, 68 and 1 carry, 69. So that must be 9 and 6 carry, then 8 into 6, 48 plus 6, it must be 54, right guys? So answer must be 5494. Correct? Correct guys? So cool, right? So now you know how to multiply two-digit numbers within 2 seconds. Hey guys, so we have learned one cool approach today to multiply two numbers within 2 seconds. For more such cool approach, please stay tuned, subscribe our YouTube channel, like, share and follow, hit the bell icon, and you can also check update in our Facebook page. Till our next class, till then, good night and take care.